welcome to the class. Today in this class, I'm going to make you fall in love with watercolors. Yes, that's right. I keep hearing from people that they are scared of handling the watercolor and they find it tough and apparently they quit it. Few years back, even I was one of those, but today I'm here teaching you about watercolor. I'm going to paint with you 4 watercolor landscapes which are based on 4 seasons. And you can do that without any professional training and without any professional art supplies. And I am not going to teach you the basic techniques of watercolor. I'm directly taking you through the process of painting the landscapes. Alright? So let's get started.